Hello, today we will guide you through how to add custom backgrounds on Google Meet. To get started, open your web browser and search for Google Meet. In the search results, click the official Google Meet page for online video calls and meetings. Once the page opens, make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Being logged in is important because it gives you access to meeting controls and customization options, including background settings. After you reach the Google Meet home screen, look for the New Meeting button. Click it to begin setting up a meeting space where you can preview and adjust your settings before or during a call. This is a simple way to access the background tools, even if you are just testing things out for yourself. When the meeting options appear, choose an instant meeting or join any meeting you already have available. Either option works for this process, so there is no need to worry about picking the perfect one. The goal here is simply to get into the Google Meet interface where the visual settings are available. Once you are inside the meeting screen, direct your attention to the toolbar at the bottom center of the window. Find the menu represented by 3 vertical dots and click it. This opens additional meeting controls that are not shown on the main toolbar. From that menu, select Backgrounds and Effects. This is where Google Meet gives you control over how your camera background appears to others in the meeting. If you are using this feature for the first time, it may take a moment to load the available options. Now you can choose the background style you want. Google Meet offers several built-in backgrounds with different themes, which are useful if you want something quick and professional. You can also choose to blur your background, which helps hide your surroundings while still keeping the focus on you. If you want something more personalized, you can upload your own image and use it as a custom background. As you preview the options, take a moment to check how your video looks on screen. A clean, simple image usually works best, especially for work or school meetings. If your computer seems a little slow, using a lighter effect like blur may perform better than a detailed custom image. And that's it. Once you select your preferred background, you're ready to continue your meeting with a more polished and personalized look.